My hands are so dry. In fact, what is this? Oh, hibiscus. Perfect. My hands are so dry. I just washed them. Let me take my ring off. I don't know if you can see the dryness, the ash. That's pretty much the one drop test. Right? So, anyways, we're live back with 21 days live with Simple Natural Hair Care. I'm Crystal Lockett, owner, founder, creator. And somewhere looking around is my daughter, co-owner, founder, creator, assistant, Cheyenne. She's somewhere in the building. And as always, we're doing 21 days live. I am not a licensed cosmetologist. Everything I'm teaching you is through trial and error and the things that I've learned along the way in regards to hair, natural hair, braiding, being a braider for 20 plus years, etc. So today on this live, we're going to be talking about the very smooth, calming, sensual, smell good, aromatic lavender. Oh my gosh, lavender. Lavender is our best selling product. It's the most selling product. People love our lavender scented one. And as you can see, lavender is purple. Shout out to the purple lovers. Please give this stream a thumbs up, a like. If you here for the purple, the color of royalty, the original color of royalty, so royal that they had the name blue royal too. And the color of our theme color, amethyst, my birthstone. So purple was in the building heavy today. Let me know if you love the color purple. Leave that in the comments. But let's get into it. Today we are talking about the very mighty lavender. Throughout my research and understanding, as much as lavender is, like I said, an aromatic smell, it's good for, it's a word that I forgot. It just left my mind. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I forgot the word. But you know what I'm talking about. As far as massages and all that other stuff. Oh, I can't believe I forgot the word. I'm so mad, right? Right. But anyways, through my research, encyclopedia, library, internet scouring, this is the best definition that I can come up with and why I used it. Lavender is the second oil that I used, the second herb that I decided to use for our fortifying growth elixir line. And lavender balances oil production, meaning your natural oils. If it's too oil, too little, it's going to balance that out. This herb is suitable for all hair types, right? Lavender is a soothing, calming herb with antiseptic, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antifungal properties. Come on now, let's go, lavender. Let's go. These properties help repair and restore many scalp conditions. So I'm pretty sure that I saw some other things saying that lavender also helps with, again, psoriasis, flaking, dryness, things like that. But we're going to leave it. We're going to let the research do its thing. And again, if you have additional issues with your scalp and your hair, more than the basic, more than what's, regular, that can be treated with like washing, oiling, moisturizing, then I would suggest you consult your physician, a dermatologist, just to seek additional help with those issues. Now, with that being said, this here, you hear all of that, everything that's going on, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antiseptic, and antifungal, I had to incorporate this oil into my products. I'm like, if we're going to go natural, if we're going to incorporate an herb that can help people's scalps, dryness, different issues, soothe the scalp, itching, dandruff, flakes. I'm like, I want something that incorporates all of that so it can be one less thing people have to worry about in regards to their hair, their natural hair. And I'm like, yes, lavender. I was already using lavenders into my soaking bath. I like to take a bath, not just once a week or once a month. I don't mean that I clean myself once a month, but once a week I like to incorporate a bath into my cleansing routine, just to make sure I just relax and settle down, let go all the stress. You can put lavender on your hair. You want to calm your brain and stuff like that. Just calm all the overthinking and everything. Lavender is a great oil, and like I said, I was using that into my baths and stuff like that, and that's how I came to the idea. I'm like, well, wait a minute, what can it do for hair? And upon my research and all that, this is what I came up with. I'm like, you know what? Absolutely, let's incorporate this into our oils. And so there we have it. And like you saw, that was our one drop test essentially. And again, what the lavender fortifying growth elixir does is soothes the scalp from inflammation, and it calms it so that you won't have as many issues, drying, flaking, itchy, scratchies. One time I was washing my hair consistently and I was forgetting to oil it. So I was washing it, not oil it. And it got itchy. I'm like, let me wash my hair again. Then it got itchy again. They're like, washing it. I'm like, well, what the heck is going on with my scalp? Why is it itching so bad? And I'm like, hey, smarty pants, you need to put some moisture on your hair. I'm like, oh yeah. So I think I had washed it, and then like a day or two later, that's when I realized I needed to oil my scalp. So I'm like, oh, duh. Sprayed my hair with water. And then I started applying the lavender fortifying growth elixir to my scalp, and immediately, instantly, I was like, oh yes, thank you, Jesus. The itching, the irritation and stuff, it like went away immediately. I'm like, I mean, of course, because my scalp was dry, but also just the soothing, the calmness, the headache, it was just like kind of wonking in a way, like a tingly wonk from like all the itching and stuff. And I'm like, yes, thank you. Put that lavender in my hair, lavender growth elixir in my hair. And I was just like, yes, Lord Jesus. Thank you for the help. Let me see what else is there about the lavender. Lavender is just really soothing, really calming. You can use that, the bedtime routine, the baby magic, the purple bottle baby magic, and how them babies be knocked out once you bathe them and lotion them down and everything. Yes. So if you need a breather, you need to take a break, I think the lavender fortifying growth elixir will help you just calm down and soothe. With these products, again, I thought about different things that I wanted people to do when using these products and incorporating them into their natural hair. We're about to go into the winter and colder months. I'm in New England, Boston. So on any given day, as it gets further and further into the winter season, on any given day, it can be spring, summer, winter, and fall all in one day. So with that, I'm like, I'm also going to need a way to, just reconnect with the earth, be able to ground. And I was like, what can I do as well to be able to do that? And that's why another reason why I made these products. I'm like, in the wintertime, if I want to touch grass, I can't, because it's going to maybe be snowing outside. We don't know nowadays. But in case that it's too cold for me to get outside, I want to be able to get in touch with nature without actually being outside in the elements. So I'm like, yes, these products, they'll have herbs, they'll have oils, all derived from nature, and they're infusing together. Putting on my hair and touching it with my hands, rubbing it on my body. I'm getting in contact with the earth again. So yes, that was another reason why. And another thing I thought of when making these products, and lavender, I'm like, yes, it's no greater thing. I mean, all the products, but of course, in particular, lavender, I'm like, yes, it just makes me feel good. And you see me rubbing my hands and stuff, it just feels so soft. I'm so calm now. I'm so like, yes, like I'm just ready to like, take a shower again and then just rub this all over my body and just be comfy. That's what this oil is kind of making me feel like in this moment. Because a lot going on in life. I almost didn't make it here. No, I made it, but I would have been late. And I didn't want to be late for you guys. I don't like being late. I wanted to be as consistent as possible with this, and we're still going to keep it rolling with 21 days live with Simple Natural Hair Care. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think about lavender? How do you feel about herbs, oils in general? Would you incorporate them in your hair care routine? Have you heard of any other or tried any other products that have herbs in it? How do they feel? Have you tried these products? I know some of you guys who follow me have definitely met me And a lot of people are just like, the lavender one, the lavender, the lavender. So please leave it in the comments of this video after we share this live. Let the people know how you feel about this product. Would you purchase it again? Would you recommend it? If so, do that. Share it. Also, again, we're on Google, so please leave your reviews on Google. Simple Natural Hair Care, LLC. We should be the first one that pops up as far as a Google review. Leave your reviews. Let people know. Share it. Follow us on Facebook, Simple Natural Hair Care. We're on YouTube, Simple Natural Hair Care as well. Search Simple Natural Hair Care, go up to the filters and put channel. We should be the first channel that pops up. Simple Natural Hair Care. You'll know us by the purple, right? Shout out to the purple lovers. Let's see what else. And then we're here on Instagram. I think that's it. And then my website, of course, simplenaturalhaircare.com. If you sign up to the website, you will receive a discount or free shipping when you spend like $30 or something like that. So you can get one of those 4-ounce bottles and that's your $30 right there. You can get a growth elixir trio if they're available. If not, they are pre-sale, so you can order them and I can have some made for you and send them out as soon as possible. With that being said, stay tuned for our Instagram just for flyers and stuff, so that when we're at a new event, you can catch up with us there as well. As always, take care. Thank you so much for viewing and watching. I appreciate you being here, and we will see you tomorrow with 21 Days Live for tomorrow's going to be day 6. Yes, oh my goodness, tomorrow's day 6, 21 Days Live with Simple Natural Hair Care. Good night.